तो जस्टिस को लेके सपना है, सपना यही है कि जो सिस्टम है वो एक ह्यूमैनिटी को लेकर चले।
My dream for a society would be that one that is founded on care and compassion.
The bottom line dream is, I think, to always take the non-human perspective into consideration, because what ends up happening is we often just strip them of their agency.
मेरे लिए जस्टिस का मतलब तभी पूरा हो पाएगा जब मेन स्ट्रीम जहाँ मेरे जेंडर को देख के मुझे काम नहीं दिया जाएगा।
We have to accept that things will take the time they take and yet continue to work. So I think at some level we have to enjoy being together, and at some level we have to move. So it's almost like you pause and then you dance. I see how planet is connected, I see how community is connected. I see the role of different people and organizations in making this whole.
That really sweet spot that understands that the law is just not about the letter of the law.
इस मेले से ऐसा नहीं कि मेला हुआ और न्याय तुरंत मिलेगा, लेकिन यहाँ कनेक्शन खूब बने।
If one were to actually effect change or try to bring about those shifts in perspective, who do we have to work with?
The Mela is a place that helps us get through the head, hand and heart, so that we can really experience what justice looks like together, and that is what shifts us.
वो इस मीटिंग से पता चला, कलाकारों का भी हक होता है, सरकार में उनके लिए भी योजना बनती है, हम भी सरकार से बात कर सकते हैं।
Often we hold a certain only the judgment, saying the police are corrupt and the court is inefficient. There is also a very human side of just not having enough people, and that came out so alive in the game that we just played.
How theatre, arts, music can be very subtle, but it can just create that change and bring some kind of awakening.
Also the session that everyone had on courts of the living, which was phenomenal, because you're now looking at how to be inclusive, not just in terms of diversity of humans, but diversity of all living beings.
एक्सपीरियंस से लेकर स्टूडेंट तक के इंसानों से हम यहाँ पर आकर मिलकर सीख रहे हैं और बहुत सारा मोटिवेशन लेके जा रहे हैं काम करने के लिए।
To come here and see that, oh my God, someone from Kashmir is doing something differently. There's someone who's working with affected youth. There's people working with the prison system. It's incredible.
There are so many small revolutions happening.
मेला ज़रूरी है जी ज़िंदगी में, ये ज़िंदगियों के मेले हैं।